So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new, allow me to say welcome, hello. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me. Your girl is back. As you can see by the thumbnail, we sure do have the Creator Incubator Program. That is the BoxyCharm by Ipsy and the Glam Bag Plus. If you want to see what they sent me and my variation of the products, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. First of all, let's just talk about it. I'm happy to be back. Missed you guys terribly. If you are new, what do we do here? We normally do makeup and skincare, unboxings, anything to do with beauty. Am I perfect? No. What you will get is someone who tries really hard, and I love to learn. Practice, it makes better. So don't feel like you have to be perfect to fit in over here. That is not the case. So if you like anything to do with beauty and you can get along and hang out with kind of a nutty kind of person like myself, then please hit that subscribe button and just chill with us. We have the BoxyCharm by Ipsy and we have the Glam Bag Plus. On the months that the icon box comes, we also get that as well. I always get excited when this comes. They are so kind in sending it over to me, and I'm very grateful to be in the program. I'm always going to be honest. Now we're going to go over the Glam Bag. Full disclosure, I did try and film this last night. However, when I sat down, I did my, normal routine. Some things I couldn't find, like my Inky List under eye cream with caffeine in it, because I can use that without it bothering my eyes. So I used a different one. A lot of times I do my eyeshadow before I do my base, and all of a sudden my eyes started tearing, and I'm looking at the palette thinking, it's not the palette. And then, no, I remembered I have caffeine under my eyes. My eyes just started tearing, and when my eyes tear, oh my gosh, my nose starts running. So it was just one thing after the other. I had to shut it down, but I did get an opportunity to not only try the products out once, I got to try them out today again. So I can give you a little bit of an idea. Out of the 10 products we have here, I've tried 7 of them. 2 of them I am trying tonight, and then 1 I will try in something else. I will explain that as we go along. I do have the theme for this month. I did remember to pull it out. This is Find Your Groove. That is the theme for the month of September. Now my eyes did tear a little bit because the sun, I had sunglasses on. The eyeshadow's still on. It's not like messy or anything. Maybe on the outer corners, but again, my eyes were tearing. So not bad. We will go over the products, since I've been able to test them out. The first product, I'm going to be honest, like I said, when I looked at the palette, I was like, really? But then the more I looked at it, I totally get it, because the name of the palette is Laura's Essentials, right? So there's the packaging. Laura Geller has very pretty packaging. It's very flowery, a lot of it anyway. So there's the colors on the back. You have 3 colors on the top, which are like cool tone colors, and then you have your, I want to say, neutral to warm leaning tones on the bottom. They go from light to dark, all right? Now you have the 2 shimmers. Laura Geller is not a brand that I dislike by any means. Matter of fact, I tightline with her eyeliner every time I put my makeup on. It is a gorgeous brown. And when I tell you that that liner doesn't budge, I mean, it doesn't budge. I have to literally go in with Makeup Mom to get it off. And that's tight lining with it. So there are the shimmers there. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. And you can definitely use highlight on your eyes, right, for shimmer. Remember now, the name of the palette is Laura's Essentials. Soft satin, 6 matte eyeshadows, and 2 highlighters. I don't know what they're talking about when they're talking about the satins. That's the only thing that's got me baffled, because these to me look like mattes. But they are buttery mattes. What I decided to do was to use this palette for everything, because it is essentials, right? Now, if you notice, this is one of the first times you will see me where I don't have my inner corner highlighted and I don't have any shimmer on my lid at all. Just a matte look, right? And there's a reason for that. I wanted to do a one and done shadow. Well, I did, and I liked it, but I was like, you know what? Give me a little depth. I used every shadow in here other than one, I think. But let me remember, because that was this morning and your girl is ADD. So, okay, I used my Urban Decay priming potion. I used this shade to set my eyes with, okay? And then I went in with this shade. That is what I have all over the lid. And I put this shade right here in the outer corner. And then I used this shade right here in the inner portion of my lid. I want to say almost halfway over, just to lighten it up a little tiny bit. And I mean, it worked. I have a look on. It literally took me, with the tight lining and just the shadows, 5 minutes, guys, I'm not kidding. What I noticed about the palette is that, you know, you have cool and neutral and warm tones in this palette, which means you can mix and match them to do anything you want them to do. So I kind of get it now. The essentials, and it's a little palette. Now, when I go to Florida, guys, most of the times I don't take luggage. I take a carry-on bag. Now, I have some things down there, but if I want to bring a quick and easy, like, style of makeup, I can bring something like this and perhaps a 6-pan shimmer palette, right? And there you go. And it doesn't take up any room. And I don't need anything else, and this is why. So if you take this shadow right here, let me swatch this for you, okay? So we have like, and yes, it's buildable, and these, they do blend. I mean, they're easy to blend. Laura Geller's formula, it's like trusty. When she says the essentials, that's exactly what she's saying. Now, we have the neutral brown, right? I want something that's gonna be dark, but I need it to be warm tone, right? All I have to do is take a little bit of the red shadow in there and just kind of mix it in. You have a warm tone brown, okay? Now, if you want to make it a cool tone, not neutral, cool tone, I'm going to put 2 dips like I did the other one. All you have to do is perhaps go in with this. You just mix it. Now, you're not gonna, you can build it up to whatever depth you want. Now you have a cool tone brown. You see what I'm saying? This could be nice all over the lid and be done with liner and lashes, and out the door you go. I use a little bit of this shade and a little bit of this shade. I mix these two together, and that's what I have on my face as my bronzer. As for my blush, this one, and I mix these two together. I even put the highlighter on. I don't know if it's still there. But honestly, guys, you can use this for anything. Like, if you want shimmer on your lid, you got it. That is why it's called the Essentials. You can do anything with this. You can take it along with you. It is small. It is nice. You can travel with it, and it's dependable. If you have a trusty matte and you know it's going to work, that will make me reach for my special shadows. Always, you know? Which, I got something coming. Whoa. Anyway, not for this video, but you will see. I'm going to put a community post up asking y'all, what do you want to see me unbox first? After we get through the stuff that I have already filmed, okay? The next product we have is Alicia Keys. It is the Comforting Tinted Lip Balm, and it is in the shade Sheer Bliss. There it is. Now that's what it looks like there on the packaging. This is what the component looks like. I'm going to swatch it. I did put this on this morning, like while I was getting my, you know, stuff, my makeup, and doing my skincare, because I wanted to see if it was hydrating. So it is very, very pink. It definitely doesn't go with this look. I'm going to put it on really quick. All right, so anything that's more on the red side, depending on the undertone, usually leans pink on me. It's not the perfect application at all, but it is on, I mean, it's comfortable. It gives you a little wash of color. It's more like, I want to say like a cranberry, you know, like a cranberry, but it doesn't go with this eye look, so I'm going to get it off. It's a nice balm. It feels comfortable. I have it on here. It's definitely not transfer proof because it's a balm, but you know, and it's Alicia Keys, so I'll take it for sure, for sure. I didn't put lashes on or anything like that. I just curled my lashes a little bit, and then I went in with the third item in the box, and that is the Man Eater Mascara from Tarte. Okay, there it is. It has that packaging on it. So this is what the package looks like. Now, I will tell you, the brush on this is very strange. It's not strange in a bad way. It's just something I've not seen before, like identically like this. You know, mascaras, you know, you see them, and then a lot of companies will do the same wand, or, well, they have their own spin on this wand. And you have to look very closely. I feel like my camera's dirty or something. I apologize, guys. If you see, these bristles, guys, are super tiny. Now, I went in with 2 coats of the mascara. And listen, first of all, I have very short lashes that are straight out. Some of them even come down a little bit. I did try to curl my lashes, okay? I did. And you know, normally they'll curl for about 5 seconds, and then as soon as I put on mascara, they go down. Which, they held the curl for a while with this. Now, of course, we're hours later and they're straight again. But I only went in twice, okay? Because I didn't want to like get it clumpy, and that can happen very easy with my lashes because I have very short lashes, right? I make a lot of expressions with my face. I'm forever laughing and twinkling about my eyes and, you know, whatever. That's just who I am and my personality. And I didn't want to get flakes all over the place. I wanted to give it a fair shake, you know what I mean? It held up. It's nice mascara. I've not found one little flake at all, and believe me, I've been checking. And it's waterproof. That's another reason. I don't want to put a whole bunch of waterproof mascara in my eyes, because in my experience, waterproof is a little harder to get off, and then I'm gonna rub. Listen, I want to keep the eyelashes I have. So I don't mind waterproof mascara. There is a time and a place for it, I think. Is it my Thrive? No. But I did find my Thrive through Ipsy, and I'm very happy about that. It works. It works. It does stay on, and it hasn't flaked, and that's important too, because I don't want any flakes on my face. If it's flaking on my face, that means it's not on my eyes. You know what I mean? Those are the 3 out of there that I did use. The 2 that I have not. This is the Dermalectives Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Energizing Body Lotion. Now, I'm going to try it tonight. Ooh, it smells good. I like that. I just took the top off. If I take my shower in the morning, I do not like to put body lotion on and go outside because it makes me sweat. Wherever that body lotion is, doesn't matter. I can put 1 strip down my leg, guys, and I will sweat on that 1 strip. It is so weird. I have tested it. Not kidding. I know that sounds crazy, but it is so true. Oh, I like the scent. Yeah, I kind of like that. Yeah, I do like that. I do like that. Now, the last thing in the box I did not use, but I do have one here so I can kind of show you. I did test it out like on my hand, and I held it up to the light and everything. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty. It is the Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil. Okay, so that's what color it looks like. It's like a yellow white. Okay. Now it's intriguing me. Okay. So there is the color. You can barely see it. See, with liners that are lighter like this, especially multi-chromes, you have to kind of like use up a big area. Oh, it goes from like a peach to a lavender. I can see that. Okay, so you see that it's like very like purpley right there. It does shift to almost like a gold. I want to say gold, and then a very vibrant like lavender purple, like a pinky purple. See, I think you can see it. You see how it gets very vibrant? So that would be nice. As long as it's not like straight pink. I look very dead with pink in my waterline. I don't like it. But I'm very happy because it's a Danessa Myricks, and you know, even though she's a very expensive brand, she is considered to be kind of like an indie brand. Her products are very different, and I do like to see things in the Ipsy box that are different. So I'm liking that. Now, I have something very special that I can use this with, and you guys are gonna see that in my unboxing haul. Okay, so that was all the products in the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. In my opinion, thus far, I want to say that all of the products are good, dependable products that you can definitely get use from. Okay, so I mean, can't ask for more than that in a box, really. Also in this bag, I did and have things. I've either tried them and still we're using them, or I tried them out here, and I will tell you. So if you're not aware, the BoxyCharm by Ipsy box is around $32. I want to say it's $31.79, but I will put the correct price right here. Okay, that is what the processing fee and the tax. Shipping is free. You get 5 full-size items, and then you have the glam bag, which I have right here, and I think the bag is cute. We'll get into that. You get 5 products, and you pay a total of $15.69, again, with the processing fee, and shipping is free. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is a cult favorite. It is a very good moisturizer, okay? I did not open this one because I have this one right here. It's the very same thing. I also have the face moisturizer right here, which I use every single day. I do love it. And I use this one on my face, guys. I use it on my face, and as you can tell, I'm almost done with it. It's going in my empties, okay? You can use it on your hands. I use it on my elbows. It's very gentle, and I have super sensitive skin, on my, especially on my face. So when I want a good moisturizer, I do put this on my face. It's a really good moisturizer. I like it. I use it every single day somewhere on my body, and so that's a good thing. And then we have this, which I use also all the time. And this is a little baby guy. I actually have a little one of these tucked away. This is the Biomi, I think that's how you say it, Brightening Ampule, okay? I do like this. I do put it on my face all the time. I even put it under my eyes sometimes, and it doesn't irritate my eyes. It is a very gentle product. It is from Earth Harbor. If I didn't say that, I probably should have. But this is a little travel size or sample size. I'm not sure, but it's a very cute little bottle, and you know me, I love little bottles. Very good product. And then this is a cult favorite. I used it this morning before I put my makeup on, and I did spray my face when I got home once. Let's do it again. Listen, it's so fine. You have to like really get up close. But it's a little guy, that's why. It is a staple. This is Benefit the Professional Super Setter. Love this. I'm very happy to get this. This is great to throw in your bag. Okay, this is the only other product that I have not used, and I will use this. I don't know if I can promise to use it tonight or tomorrow when I get up. But this is the Show Your Glow, and it is a mask from Hey Honey. It says Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. It says mask to smooth, firm, and hydrate your skin. Anti-aging. So I'm excited. I like these kind of masks. Yes, I love my sheet mask. It says a lavish anti-aging mask that works to improve skin elasticity with powerful moisturizers. White colloidal gold. Okay, that's kind of cool. Honey and mica hydrate the skin and smooth the appearance of fine lines. It just says apply a thin layer onto clean skin. Allow mask to stay on for 10 minutes and then gently rinse to remove. So I'm looking for these kind of masks in the winter time, more so than the sheet mask, like more in the summer. I want something that's really going to get in there and hydrate my skin, firm it, yes please, smooth it, yes, I'll take that. So I'm excited to try this. Even though it's a little guy, I could probably get 2 uses. That color, that's actually the product. I can see through it and it's right to the very top. I don't even see any air pockets in there. Okay, go ahead, hey honey, thank you very much. The last product in the bag, and then we'll talk about the bag. This is from Koki Cosmetics, which I was like, okay, go ahead, that's another indie brand, and you can get Koki Cosmetics, I think, at Target or Walmart. I could be wrong. This is a felt tip liner. So there it goes. You have a thin line, you can do a thick line. There you have it. It doesn't bleed, and I didn't have any problems with it. You can do it lighter here, you can do it darker there, and it doesn't feather. And guys, I have little wrinkly eyes, you know, my eyes are a little older. I just took my time with it. It didn't skip. It was a nice smooth line and it's still on. It didn't go anywhere. So I'm happy about that. And it's in brown. I don't do black eyeliner all that much anymore. And I'm glad to see that this is absolutely a brown. You can definitely see it's a brown. It's not mistaken like a black brown. This is a brown. And they have the other side, which is a kohl gel, whatever liner that you want to call. Usually used to either tight line or like in the waterline, and this one is pretty cool, I must say, especially with fall coming, you know, neutral looks and all. And I'll be darned if I don't think this is some type of duochrome. Can't swear to it, but I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks on me or what. But it is like a metallic-y type. Now again, I'm gonna try it in my waterline just to see, but it's metallic and it's brown and it's a light brown, and I do like that. And that is what it looks like right there. It's like a brassy brown. So it's nice to get something different. Thank you, Ipsy, for not giving us a black liner because I have so many. So that is the 5th product. We have the bag, which I think the bag is kind of cool. You know, it has all the like colors. Halloween is coming, right? Yeah, I like it. It's different. And then you have the pink on the inside. You know, I love pink. Everything's pink. Little blue Ipsy right there. All right, guys, so let me know what you think down below. Did you get any of these products? Are you happy? Do you wish you got them? You know, have you tried any of these products before? Let me know in the comments down below. Give me all the details. Thank you to Ipsy again for sending this over to me. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so very much for staying. If you made it this far, please drop me, I don't know, give me like a green heart or something. If you have not yet already, please consider subscribing. It would really warm my heart, guys. I did look, just trying to figure out my analytics when I had some downtime. Something like, I don't know, 22% of people are watching me, but they're not subscribed. So, I mean, if you're watching, please hit that button. You know what I mean? Those 22% could be the ones that get us to 1,500. And if you are not aware, I am having a 3-winner giveaway. 3 giant high-end boxes. I do have a 2-winner giveaway. It's in my camera, guys. I had to film it over because it didn't make sense, but it's in my camera. All of these giveaways that I do for you guys and for people who are supporting me. Getting to 1,500 by the end of the year, I'm going to be a very happy woman. I really would. I have a lot of things I want to go over, some really pretty things. And I really want to talk to you guys. I want to get your opinion on a couple things because I do need your advice. I need you to weigh in on some things because I'm kind of like on the fence. Please stay tuned for all of that. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give the video a like. That would definitely warm my heart as well. Put me back out there in the algorithm. Hopefully YouTube will pick me up. And please remember mental health check-ins, guys. How are you doing? Take a couple minutes out of your day. It is so very important and it is so much worth it. Are you crabby today? Did you snap today? Are you mad? Are you anxious? Did you cry? Like, what is going on with you? If you see a pattern developing, remember, prevention is key, okay? And as always, in this crazy mixed up world, please stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.